Hi everyone, this is Alex with LaserCAD.me. I wanted to talk today about the Capillus 312, which is a prescription grade LLLT laser device used for regrowing hair. What I wanted to talk about specifically was pricing and the perchance for finding shoddy or poor grade counterfeit models when you are trying to find a cheaper solution. The Capillus is the highest graded, best laser cap in the world. It's made in the United States. And I just wanted to show you a little bit about this. So first off, if we were to go to Google and Google the Capillus 312, again, that is a prescription grade. And the highest you're going to find, if you even do find Capillus, when you Google it, you're going to find the 272. But this is a LumaFlow. You're going to see, even though we typed in Capillus, we're getting ads for other ones. If we do go down to Capillus's website, we'll go ahead and pull that up right here. So the Capillus website actually does not even offer the 312, and that's because, once again, this device is a prescription grade. It is only available at clinics. LaserCAD.me is a part of Best Hair Transplant in Redondo Beach, California, and that's why we are able to offer it both in-store and online. As you can see, the price right here, directly from Capillus, is $299.99. And that again is for the Capillus 272. If we scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see right here, 272 laser diodes, no LEDs, and that's important as well. We'll get back to that later. But again, $3,000 for the Capillus 272, and that's directly from Capillus, which is the manufacturer of this product. What I also wanted to show is two of the largest other clinics in the country. We have Hair Club, previously known as Hair Club for Men. You can see they do offer the 312, however, it's $3,500. We'll also go over to Bosley, another huge player in the hair transplant and hair restoration market. And as you can see, Bosley does not even offer the 312. They offer the 272 as their highest one. Even with 20% off, you're still going to be paying a considerable amount, and you are not going to be getting the highest quality available. You will still be able to get a Capillus product, but you will not be able to get the highest prescription grade available. If we go over to LaserCAD.me, go ahead and click on prices, and you're going to see our cost is the $3,500 as well. However, unlike anyone else, we offer a $1,000 discount. So that makes $2,500 your final cost plus tax. We offer free shipping, and all you have to do is participate in a before and after study. It's a really simple thing to do, a couple pictures, and we have a little more information on that on the site. You can also give us a call about that, and one of our reps will tell you all about it. But essentially, $2,500 is what you pay for the Capillus 312. And the best part is that you are paying essentially $1,000 less than available directly on the Hair Club website. So we have it for $1,000 less than them, $1,000 less than the national company Hair Club. I also wanted to talk a little bit about knockoffs and counterfeits. I would say one of the worst places to experience the fake laser caps is going to be eBay, and I have a few areas pulled up right here. China is going to be one of the worst places to get these from. They are often LEDs and not even lasers. LEDs have not proven at all to help restore hair. It needs to be LLLT devices, and you're going to see extremely cheap prices here. Extremely cheap in comparison, and that's going to be because you're essentially receiving an inferior device that does not work. Once again, you can see right here, it's from China. I'm going to go over here again. Another device from China, and extremely cheap. However, you get what you pay for, and in this case, you can either receive an inferior device, a counterfeit device, or one that possibly even causes you physical harm. You can cause damage to your hair even further. You can cause damage to the scalp. And a lot of the time, they are not going to refund you, despite the fact that they say they will. If they do, you're going to have to pay for shipping. You're going to have to pay restocking fees. And what they bank on is that for this price, you're just not even going to bother returning it. You're just going to be out the money that you should have put toward a procedure or toward a laser cap that's actually going to deliver the results that you need and deserve. Again, over here, we have another one. This one's interesting because it claims it's a US seller. However, right here, item location is in China. Finally, we go over here and we see another one from China. Some of these admit that they are actually LEDs and not lasers. So that's the one thing you really got to work out. You got to make sure that you do not get a device that is offering LEDs. It has to be LLLT devices to achieve any results. So I would definitely avoid any eBay purchases. You can find the Capillus used on eBay a lot of the time. You will be able to find the 312s if it's from a consumer. But at that point, you do not know what the device has been through. You don't know what has happened to it. There's no protection from the actual company, no guarantees. And it's really worth just paying the extra money and getting your own device that's guaranteed. The Capillus is guaranteed for 5 years if you buy from LaserCapMe. And again, unlike other retailers, we offer the Capillus 312 for $2,500, $1,000 off if you participate in our before and after study. So, if you'd like more information about the Capillus, please feel free to contact LaserCapMe. Our phone number is 213-403-0455, and we are located in Redondo Beach. You can also come to lasercap.me and fill out this form right here to get a hold of someone. Our associates will get back to you very quickly and answer any questions you might have. I hope this has been helpful. Have a great day, and talk to you soon.